I think somebody was seriously doing a beam contest on how many different ways they could support the basement joists and structural beams in their basement. So you got steel pipe, number one. You've got a 3x4 with its wood backup buddy, which is out of place up here, with chains dangling for who knows what kind of torture reasons. We go back to a big box style jack support pole on a cement block and with its trusty block of wood buddy. This one, we go back to steel pipe buried in the floor, so that might be original. And some piece of firewood kindling, since we're right next to the wood stove. Over here, we go back to the wood. The friction fit method with a little piece of plywood. Oh, some kind of pipe jack stand thing, 4-inch pipe with a big screw. No wood needed here. We got a piece of welded plate on a piece of pipe inside a jack, and you just twist that up as you go. What do we got over here as our next contestant? Wood on top of 2 inches of concrete, on top of a tree. And on top of that is some kind of auto jack stand from the 40s with plywood holding up a rotting beam. And as our final guest on the What's It Called beam show, back to, is that metal? Yeah, it's metal. I thought it was wood. Back to metal with a metal plate that somebody, oh, that's what I wanted to zoom in on. They secured the plate in place by bending nails over in the holes that the plate has. Well done.